All right, guys, here we are at our main and basically open exercise. So here we're going to be talking about percentages. So what is a percent? A percent stands for a number out of 100. So of course, let's break down the word. Per, of course, is each, and of course, cent is out of 100, because think about a penny. We literally have 100. Think about a dollar. You have 100 pennies in $1. So cent. So here we're going to look at different fractions to understand what and how fractions are related to percent. So here we have the fractions 30 out of 100, 3 out of 100, and 1/3 out of 100. So if I take, for instance, 30 out of 100, and I want to know how many boxes would it fill up, I can say that if I fill about these 3 boxes, or this amount is about 30% of, or 30 of these 100 boxes. So I know that if I wanted to, I could literally go back in and I could fill in this 30 amount for this 30 of this 100, because this is basically 30% of 100. So anytime that I have a number and it is out of 100, I need to know that I can write that as a percentage. So here, I know this is out of 100, so 30 out of 100 will also be 30%. Also, we know that if I take 30 out of 100, I can still simplify it to make that equal to 3 out of 10, which would still be equal to, if you know place value, 0.30, and that could be swooped over to make 30%. So all of it is the same. It's just that you can see it in simplified ways. However, anytime that you see a number over 100, just know that that is going to be a percentage. Here I have 3%. So I know, or sorry, not 3%, but 3 out of 100. So I know that about these 3 boxes can be filled in colored, because that is about how much we need out of this 100, and this will equal to 3%. Now, even though this is 3 out of 100 and this is 30 out of 100, I'm still trying to figure out, Miss Sykes, what am I going to do with this 1/3? So we have to think about this realistically. If this is 1/3 out of 100, of course it's not going to be 1 out of 3 like it was earlier, but it's going to be 1/3 of one of these blocks out of these 100 blocks to actually show. So here is what this will look like. So about that much. So if I have about that much of that block filled in, that is what probably about 1/3 will look like. So if I wanted to write this as a percentage, I could literally write this as 1/3 percentage. So many fractions can represent many things. However, always know that P over 100, or a number of 100, is going to give you a percentage. You literally just write the top number as a percentage. So at this time, go ahead, move on to the next slide so that way you can see your main lesson.